Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dafik Taloest and this is Farmflick channel. Guys, lately I've not posted on my YouTube channel, but today I'll tell you the reason why. Welcome. Guys, the reason why I've not posted for a long while is because I've been in the farm alone, and the pigs were many. Looking for feeds been tough, but today I'll tell you something new and very important. Before you start your pig farm, first I'll advise you to make sure you have available sustainable feeds that can last you and very at a cheaper cost. That's why I've restructured again and gone a step back, and now I've tried to make sure I get my protein source available for my pigs. And today guys, I'm going to show you what I've been up to. So hello guys, and today I'll want to show you what I've been up to at my place at Kitaloes Pig Farm. And guys, to tell you, I've been trying to do research on how I can feed my pigs, because the cost of feeding has gone so high, protein source has been so high, and that's why I stepped back a bit to find new ways of feeding my pigs. And guys, find a new way of feeding, of getting the protein, and that's why I want to show you my Azolla pond. My Azolla pond. Azolla is a type of feed that is grows on water, and it's rich of protein. So guys, that's what I'm doing so that I can sustain my pigs. So I'll show you. My Azolla pond is not yet ready, about a week. Guys, this is my Azolla pond. I did research, found that Azolla is a type of protein and contains about 30% protein content, and this helps in cutting your cost of feeding by about 50, because it's more rich of protein. You not go to get soybeans. This will reduce soybeans about 100 and something per kg. So a guy like me who is having a lot of pigs, it's very tough. So guys, I just want to show you how it's going, and I'll make a video of how you do your Azolla pond and how you plant your Azolla. This is just to tell you that before you start your pig farm, make sure you have a lot of protein source. Because protein is the one helps the pig grow, and it's expensive in the market. So guys, this is what I've been up to, and I'll show you. Also did a black soldier fly. So one of the ways I'm going to cut cost is doing my Azolla and the black soldier fly. So this is my Azolla pond, the first one of many to come. So this is just a video to tell you that the feeding area has been tough, but I found a way. In every challenge you must find a solution, and this one, I tell you, is going to be a game changer. This will cut the cost of feeding, and going to the market, it will be cheaper. You'll make a kill out of it. So in my next video I'll show you my BSF house, black soldier fly, and then I'll make a video on how you can make Azolla and how you plant it. So keep watching my YouTube channel, keep subscribing on Farmflick channel.